Did you know that 65% of divorces are due to communication issues? It's shocking, right? Imagine how many relationships could be saved if we only learned to communicate better. Hey everyone, welcome back to Personal Growth TV. Today we're exploring a topic that affects almost every relationship: miscommunication. It's something we all experience, but not many of us know how to handle effectively. Miscommunication isn't just a minor hiccup. It's often the root cause of many arguments, frustrations, and even breakups. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why these issues happen and how you can address them to build a stronger, healthier relationship. So, what's the real challenge here? Why do so many couples struggle with miscommunication? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. There are a few common culprits that can turn a simple conversation into a battleground. First up, differing communication styles. Think about it. Everyone has a unique way of expressing themselves. Some people are more direct, while others might be more subtle or even passive-aggressive. Now imagine trying to have a meaningful conversation when you and your partner are speaking different languages. It's like trying to tune into a radio station that's just slightly off the dial. There's a lot of noise, but no clear message. See what I mean? Miscommunication can quickly spiral out of control when you're not on the same page. But it doesn't stop there. Another big issue is assumptions. We've all been there, assuming we know what our partner is thinking or feeling without actually asking. This can lead to a lot of misunderstandings. For instance, you might assume your partner knows you're upset because of something that happened earlier. But without clear communication, they might have no clue what's going on. These assumptions create a gap in communication that can lead to resentment over time. But wait, there's more. Lastly, emotional barriers. Sometimes our emotions get the better of us, making it hard to communicate effectively. Whether it's fear of rejection, past trauma, or just plain old stubbornness, these barriers can prevent us from opening up and having those important conversations. So what's the solution? How do we overcome these challenges? The key lies in active listening and clear expression. Active listening means truly paying attention to what your partner is saying without interrupting, judging, or planning your response. It's about being present in the moment. And when it's your turn to speak, be clear and honest about your needs and feelings. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Imagine how much smoother your conversations could go if you both committed to really hearing each other out. It's a game changer. To wrap things up, remember that miscommunication in relationships is common, but it doesn't have to be a deal breaker. By understanding the reasons behind it and practicing active listening and clear communication, you can strengthen your relationship and avoid unnecessary conflicts. I'd love to hear from you. What are some communication challenges you've faced in your relationships? Please subscribe and drop a comment below, and let's start a conversation. And if you're looking for more tips on building a healthy relationship, check out my other videos linked here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.